Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can mask elements, objects and components in your Figma design. So let us show you how to do it. Head over to design on Figma. Let me go with that canvas here with that image resembling a mountain right here. So what you want to do is add your photo or image, of course, and add also a shape to mask it with your photo or image. To add a shape, guys, simply access the shape tool here at the bottom. As you can see, the current shape is a rectangle, but you may switch to a ellipse or polygon or star by clicking on that arrow down icon and select a circle, for example, or a triangle. Let me go over a rectangle for demonstration purposes. You may also use the shortcut R for that. And next, simply left click and drag your left mouse to add your rectangle or shape. You may also press and hold left shift on your keyboard to stabilize your shape and make it perfect, just like that. So release your left mouse and there you go. Now your rectangle has been added. Now, doing this optional, guys, but I'm also going to round the corners of that rectangle. So let me click on one of these corners here and drag it. So now it has pretty round and not these sharp corners. So what you want to do is move the given shape over your image, just like that. And after that, also move it to the back or change its position. To do that, right click into the given shape and select send to back or use that shortcut here. And there you go. Now it is at the back. So what you want to do after that, guys, is bulk select all elements you would like to mask. Your shape is already selected, a list of layers to the left, but you may also select your background image or photo. To do that, press and hold left control on your keyboard and left click into the second element, which in this case here would be your background image. There you go. Now both are selected. And then the last step, guys, right click into one of these elements here and mask them by using this feature here. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M for that. That is going to mask them, as you can see. Now they resemble a mask group here in the list of layers to the left. You may also select the entire mask group with your left mouse and now, for example, move it along your canvas just like that, or only select parts of your masked group like your rectangle shape or your image, and for example move these, there you go, for example just like that, or only the rectangle, and adjust its position. You may also resize the given mask element by holding, for example, and dragging one of its corners. Press left shift on your keyboard to stabilize it, and there you go. You may also rotate them. And there you go. That's how you mask elements and components on Figma, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.